I've just taken this pillar down that someone has crashed into. A handbrake failed on their car. It rolled and hit it, so we're going to try and put this puzzle back together. Let's see if it goes back the way it should. Start rebuilding this. It's not actually the nicest stonework, but I've used a bit of Google Street View to help me out with a couple of stones. Can't just go totally random and putting it back together, so I won't have enough stones to finish, or it just won't go as it should. So, we'll get it one way or another. We'll get that. First stone there. Something like that. It's gone like a semi-dry mix. So we got one there. I can sort of tell which ones they are from what we're liking on them, which makes it a bit easier. That one. Quite nice iron stonework that you know where it's going back for once. No stonework, it's like a puzzle you don't know the finished product of. How straight this wall's going to end up, I do not know, because I bet you it wasn't very straight before. Straight and plumb. And some of them are just standing up a bit of a... Oh, I reckon it's this one. Yeah. It's this one standing up. Standing up there. Never lay a stone up like that. It's not natural. It should be flat, that stone should be. Properly. Okay. My phone out all the time. Look at that picture. Round. Oh, you can see exactly where that slotted in there. Something like that. My only issue here is I hope I just don't mess up by doing different sort of bed sizes to what we had before. Basically only up to the top and be a bit short, you know. Google Street View is working a treat for this. I'm just able to tell by the lichen on the stone which one goes where, so I hope this method works right the way through. I hope. Like it was meant to be then. Something like that. Oh! Again, they shouldn't really be laid like this. Like you wouldn't build one. I wouldn't build a wall from scratch with the stones standing up like this, because you shouldn't lay them taller than they are long. You know, that should either be laid flat or at least spun round that way. Put it back as it was, so. God, just building a stone wall this way, nightmare. I don't know why people lay stone incorrectly. It's just got no structure to it. Right, next one here. Oh, it's quite a wide one. Make a change. Oh God. Something like that. Right. There we are. That one shouldn't go there. That was a bit stupid. Something like that. I actually put this in the wrong place as well. Oh, not having a good time at the moment. So this one goes right in there. Not far off where it was. This one is here, a bit of a refresh on the compo as well, but it was going a bit dry. This one. Something like that. What's this like with that one? Bit high, that's not too bad. That ain't going down anymore though. So. Let's see. This one here. Something like that in there. Right, that's how that goes, and there must be another piece then to go there. Yeah, that's it. Like so. Bad at all for what I'm after. I actually think this one went there, but let's go in here. Something like that. Not bad at all, that's what we want. Right, I'll fill that bit on the back, that's a bit boring. Fill the top in. Probably have a look when we get back on the copings now. Right, let's put some copings back on. We're going to SBR the bottom of these. SBR and cement mixture. That maybe. Oh, they're pretty weighty these are. Nice. There's so much overhang. Really, even this bottom of this end one probably wants to go down a touch. How long there just to weight it down. Just overfill it so you've got a bit to play with, leave it go off plenty. Right, we can do a bit of pointing now. Just gone off enough. I'm not sure. Copings are a bit wet still, but easy gone off enough. It's just set back slightly, all the rest of the stuff is, so. So job done on this. Not a bad match in the end. Quite pleased with it, to be honest, for what I had to make do with. Cooping's on. I have to cover this up tonight, there's a bit of rain coming. Clean off all the tarmac. I can't stand tarmac, but it's needs a bit more water there. Mainly dust. Yeah. Everything matched in alright. You can weather back in now. You're never going to match the colour of the mortar and all the moss and stuff on the mortar, so it'll come over time. You can always paint some dirty water on it if you really want to speed it up. But, yeah, on to the next one, or wait till someone hits this one again.